Okay, so let's have a look at adjustment 6 for the 2023 sole trader higher level for Leahy. So goods taken by Leahy for his own personal use during the year were not recorded. So if he's taken goods, then we need to reduce our purchases. And if it's for personal use, then we need to reduce drawings or increase drawings. So these goods had a retail value of 3,600, which is cost plus 20%. So we would have sold these on at 3,600, which is our cost price plus 20%. So we need to find out how much the cost price is and reduce our purchases by that amount and increase our drawings by that amount. So we're going to need to find 100%. So 120% is 3,600. 1% is 30. So 100% then is 3,000. So we need to decrease our purchase by 3,000. We need to increase our drawings by 3,000. So we have a purchase account already opened up as part of working 2. So I think that was the goods in transit in this adjustment here. And then we got our drawings then as part of our suspense. So when a percentage of the mortgage interest due or the mortgage interest was for drawings. So we need to increase our purchase by 3,000. So we're going to go find our purchase adjustment. And here's our purchase adjustment. So we have purchase already. We have adjustment for goods in transit as part of adjustment 1. We have to check then for adjustment 2, which was the depreciation. And now this adjustment here, which is working 6, so VI. So the amount we're going to decrease is from the previous adjustment. Then we need to decrease it by 3,000 because that's how much the goods were for. So that's going to give us a new figure of 1,126,000, and that's going to go into my profit and loss account in the trading. And then my drawings figure then is part of suspense. So I've got drawings down here, so I've taken away my interest, but now I need to add on my goods of 3,000. So my new figure then for drawings is going to be 49,775, and that's going to go into my balance sheet as part of my finance buy. Okay, so a simple adjustment: increase your drawings, decrease your purchases, make sure you update your correct one, and that's adjustment 6 for Leahy 2023 sole trader higher level question.